Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night, wherever you are in the world. My name is Adam Richardson and I am brand new to YouTube. Welcome. If you're watching this is my first video and it's really just I wanted to do a bit of an introductory, hence the smart shirt. It won't always be smart shirts, trust me, it's going to be t-shirts and paint and stuff everywhere. But I wanted, as this is number one, to be a bit smarter for you guys. So this is what I'm all about. I like to think of myself as someone who loves to use their imagination. So I write, I'm a published author, I love art, so art is my kind of passion in life. If you were to chop me in half, I'd say kind of creative and artistic all the way through the middle of me. So I love to draw, I love to sculpt, I love to paint miniatures, I love to paint in general, I love trying anything new as well. So really what I'd say is this channel is for anyone like me who enjoys getting creative, getting artistic, trying new things. So the actual channel is called AMR Academy. AMR is just basically my initials. How creative am I? Fantastic. But yeah, I'm here to really not only kind of showcase the stuff I love to do, but hopefully along the way I'd love to kind of help you guys. I'll be doing tutorials, I'll be doing kind of hopefully some videos that you guys can learn from and try stuff yourself. That's one of the key messages I suppose I want to kind of come from me, is life really is about, you know, trying new things. It's about opportunities, it's about adventure, it's about, you know, testing the water with new things you've never even tried before. You could try something that you've never done before and absolutely love it, and it could kind of steer your life in a different direction. But yeah, me, I absolutely am passionate about everything where I use my imagination. Coming back to that first point, so I am a writer. This is my book. Don't get me wrong, this channel is first and foremost about, I suppose it's an outlet for me to kind of keep me creative and share my experiences with you guys. As long as I get subscribers, of course, so make sure you subscribe, thank you very much. But then also I'm wanting to kind of try and tie it back to anything that I do, I suppose, in my kind of more commercial world, i.e. like my my writing. So it's things like this, you know, this was really kind of a bit of a driving force for me. So this is my book. It's called, as you can see there, I'll just hold it nice and close so you hopefully can see. So it's called Orbs and the Attack of the Hair Spiders. It was published last year. I'm very proud of it. It took me actually like 10 years on and off to write. But as I say, you know, in that time I had different jobs, got married, had kids, you know, all the usual kind of life hurdles. But as I say, a lot of my inspiration for doing sculptures and doing artwork, illustrations and things like that comes from this book and the world that I've kind of crafted and created. So in this book itself, there's illustrations which I've done, there's maps, the cover artwork I worked on with my brother. So my older brother, he's into kind of VR, 3D animation and things like that, because we're a very kind of creative family. So he helped me put that together as well. So it was a bit of a collaboration, but he's done a fantastic job in kind of realizing what was kind of locked in my mind. So yeah, a lot of it will kind of tie back to this, as you'll see with the sculptures and such forth. But really what I'm wanting people to do, as I say, I hope, and I'd love for you to share, you know, the kind of stuff you're doing as well, is that you actually you take something away from it. You know, you might watch a tutorial and have a go yourself. That's what I'd love to see, you know, because I think in this kind of day and age, certainly with kind of schools and the way the curriculum goes, and I'm based in the UK, so I'm in England, it tends to be leaning so much more now these days towards, you know, the academics, the you know, your almost like your, you know, your maths and reading, which is great, don't get me wrong, the reading is fine, love that, but as I say, we seem to have lost touch with, you know, more creative stuff. So things like food tech, things like technology, you know, woodwork, craft, textiles, things like that. So and particularly art and music, you know, they're just not kind of thrown in there as much as I think they used to be, certainly when I was at school. So to me, my kind of one of my goals is to get people getting creative again. And it can be like a plethora of different things, you know, just have a go, that's my message, have a go, be a have a go hero, and share your stuff, you know, get out there and share it as well. So I also am on kind of Instagram, Facebook, say YouTube now, which is great, and then hopefully they'll all tie in. So if you like the stuff you see, subscribe, and I'll kind of try and keep sharing as best I can. Just to let you guys know, I am so I'm a husband, I'm a father of 2 kids, and I do work as well. So whilst I possibly can't upload every day, I will certainly try my best to upload as often as possible, to keep you guys, interested, and I suppose begging for more. But as I say, a key thing for me is I want to make sure that the stuff you guys are seeing is to a really good quality, that you find them useful, engaging, and you can take something away from them. So we'll see how we go. But yeah, don't expect to share every time, because it's just not going to happen. I will move around the house quite a bit more, so as I do writing stuff and reading tips and tutorials, I'll be probably in my little office where I am now, as you can see, and then as I do more kind of sculpture work and things like, I don't know, little kind of stuff I might do with my kids, get them involved as well, because it's all about getting the children involved too. My wife, bless her, she's incredibly kind of musical, so she's got loads of different instruments, and that's her passion. So we might do loads of different things, but I'll move about, as I say, so you'll see some different, I suppose, rooms and areas in my house where I kind of like to try and do things. But then I'm also keen, as I say, this kind of, as I've called it, an academy. It's not really just for people to learn from as well. I'll be learning myself. So I'll be trying new things, testing new things out that I've never done before, but I've always wanted to. So I'll be learning as much as you guys. So, and then really it's about a kind of, I suppose, what I'd love is almost like a joint journey. So as I'm learning and doing things and making mistakes, and it's fine to make mistakes as long as you learn from them, I'll be, as I say, trying new things. So kind of watch this space. It won't just be drawing, and sculpting and writing. I'm going to try all sorts of stuff. I want to, stuff that I feel, I might be good at, I might not be good at, but I'm going to have a go. Because as I say, life's about experiences, and I suppose you got to try these things. No regrets and all that. So why, might you ask, would I want to do a YouTube channel? Well, the truth is, I want to be rich beyond my wildest dreams. I'm just joking with you. No, in all honesty, it's a place I want to kind of develop as a hub for creative minds, for creative people, who can kind of come, learn some new stuff, watch some tutorials, get some great tips on all things creative, from writing to illustration to sculpting. Sculptures kind of like this, which is the first one I've actually done using a particular type of media. So as I say, I like to kind of use old bits and bobs from the house that I find around and repurpose them into things like this. So this guy is actually due to be a character in my second book, which will be out hopefully, well, when I get round to doing it, but I can keep you guys posted on that as well. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see, I'll zoom out and zoom in. This is just one of the characters from book 2. So again, if you like the looks of this and feel that it's something you might want to try and learn how to do, or follow the techniques I use to kind of create these kind of things and these characters, then hey, join, subscribe, follow, like on all my social media, and you'll see the kind of the paths and the journeys I take to get to this kind of stuff. So if you like it, subscribe. Cheers. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Design, anything and everything. And it's not just going to be for kind of adults, it's going to be for kids too. So we're going to try some cool kind of fun things for kids to do too. But it's also going to be a place where I can learn new things. So you get to see me try and test out new things that I've never done before. And I will make mistakes and it'll probably be a big old mess, but hey ho, that's part of the fun. So we're going to have lots of fun. I will try and do these videos as often as I can. But as I say, I am a working father and husband, obviously until till you guys make me rich and famous. But until such time, the daily craft must go on. So hey ho. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do, let me know. If you don't, let me know. I'm happy either way. But as I say, as a start for 10, hi, my name's Adam, AMR Academy here. Have a good day. Speak to you soon, and don't forget to subscribe, please.